Do you know the code to the 6-7 vault? No? Well then, maybe we could try the direct approach. Ooh, look in the bag. It's like a whole 6-7 party. We could just squish your little face. Ooh, a clue. Look inside. Hey, a 6. You think a 7 is close by? An 8? That's just not the same. Ooh, you're number 1. We've got numbers. Wait, it's the code. And apparently they're still in order. It's the ultimate 6-7. But it could use some color. Don't forget, a rainbow needs 6, maybe 7 colors. And you're never fully dressed without some big eyes. Now that the guest of honor's here, let's dance. Oh, she always was such an open book. But maybe we should add some color in here. Pink on top and blue on the bottom. Guess there's plenty of cappuccino to go around. She's always got a place in her own mind's eye. But 1 is still the loneliest number. So why don't we whip you up some furniture? Or friends, whichever comes first. Take a sock. And fill it with candy. Presumably the kind you don't want to eat. Make a bunch and line them up against the wall. Yes! Pretty soon, the chairs will start coming to us.
Wow!
Come on in, there's plenty of room. And here, have a blanket. Yeah, she doesn't sit on anything with a face on it. And I think we've just learned why. How about we try our special beanbag chairs again? Talk about a sweet seat. Hey, what's in the box? Ooh, Easter came early. It's an egg. Yeah, I'd keep an eye on those yolks. But you can't forget the best part, the toy. By the looks of it, you've got a little collection. Let's keep them looking their best with a little epoxy resin. When they're all the same shape, it's all the easier to stack. Fill a box with it, and some tralalero tralalas. Maybe some yummy mermaids to snack on? Put it in the corner. It's more fun to watch than TV. A loose nail? Ooh, we better hammer it down. Little less Thor, little more Fix-It Felix. Well, at least we can restock our confetti cabinet.
Oops.
But we should probably keep it all in one place. Don't forget to save something for Sweeps Week. Don't want to keep some for later? Well, into the bin it goes.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, do we have raccoons again? Never mind, it's just good old Trippy Troppy. A new kind of catfish. Well, cat shrimp. But he'll appreciate a kitty classic, twine. We'll make him a little basket. Practically has his name on it. Well, face. And look, it comes with a side of catnip. Aw, I think he's gonna be happy here. Looks like we've got a visitor. Wow, talk about having the whole gang over. It's like an instant party, which means it's pizza time. Let's order one. Your phone's dead. Oh no! Well, I guess we could always try charging it. But it'll be quicker to just make a new phone. Make sure this one gets unlimited texting. Ooh, a flip phone. Now that's a classic. I just can't wait to push those buttons. Quick, order that pizza. We want all the works. Ooh, that was fast. Hope that didn't cost extra. Dig in. The cheese pull could have been better. Oh, I think your tip was already included. Hey, why don't you join the party? The pizza party. Hurry, there's plenty of hungry mouths around here. Seriously, even the chair around here likes to eat. But I think our friends are gonna get thirsty. And what goes better with pizza than fountain drinks? That's not quite what I meant by fountain. But it's pretty, so why don't we just see where this goes? For Rumi, ice cream's like gimbap. The bigger, the better. Ah, a life in plastic is truly fantastic. Well, speak of the Barbie, and she shall appear. It's okay, Rumi. We can make our own dream house. But first, why don't we clean you up? There's a bit of a smell, not to mention all that ice cream on your face. We need to build a bath. Now, water and cardboard don't mix. But this is a dream house, so anything goes. Sure, it's a little strange taking a bath in confetti. But all that really matters is that you have a rubber ducky. See? It even floats. Well, sort of. Ah, nothing beats a nice clean face. Of course, now we'll need new clothes. We can't exactly go shopping, but I'm sure we can whip something up. Or better yet, draw something up. Now cut it out.
Wow.
All it needs is a little Huntrix magic. And voila! Next, your coat. Wow, purple is your color, Rumi. That was fun, but we should really check the time. Uh-oh, she's late for a possibly important date. But soon, she'll always be on time with this new gadget. It already feels pretty homey. Or, at the very least, homemade. Don't forget the chimney. We want all the bells and whistles. Can you guess what we're making? That's right, a cuckoo clock. Of course, we gotta make sure the time is right. Otherwise, it'll only work twice a day, I think. It needs a good foundation and derpy. Derpy's always needed. Of course, I do have a question. Where's the cuckoo? Leave it to Sussy to make a big entrance. Either way, I'm pretty sure it's time to eat. You know what that means. Show us your teeth! But it's going to need a few additions. When it comes to tubes, the more the merrier. Can you guess our newest craft? Well, it's got a lid. And it looks like I wasn't wrong about those tubes. good idea. This should put some spring in their step. It's mostly done, so we should personalize it, like with a Huntrix logo and a cute little derpy face. Did you guess? We've got our very own rice cooker. Now we can make all sorts of things, like gimbap or just plain rice. It is the best side dish. Just press a button and keep your eye on the timer, or clock, as it were. Either way, we've got rice. Just can't wait to dig in, can you? Of course, rice isn't exactly finger food. We're gonna need chopsticks. Never used them before? All you need's a simple wrap and maybe a little practice. That was good, but now Rumi will want something to wet her whistle. And what can be more refreshing than cardboard? Okay, you can't drink it, but you'll see how it can help. Grab some bottles. Holding liquids is their job. Now it's time for us to bend those straws. Remember, always save your bottle caps. 'Cause you'll never know when they'll come in handy. Why don't we add some color? How about a nice sky blue? And I wouldn't say no to some nice wallpaper for our new soda machine, complete with your favorite fruit flavors. Wait, where's the soda? Guess we've got to fill her up. You know, all this crafting is busy work. So why don't we try it out? Pick a flavor. Ooh, apple. I mean, it's important to eat, or drink, your greens. I wonder if it tastes like apple juice. Of course, we wouldn't say no to strawberry or orange. Ooh, looks like Rumi's got someone special on her mind. Of course, if you want to talk to Rumi, we're gonna need to get you a phone plan. Ooh, now that's some cool wallpaper. Wow, Jinu's already in your contact list. He looks so full of life, all things considered. You know, 'cause he's a Saja boy. Okay, Rumi, we've got to save Jinu. We need to build something that'll help. Or conjure up the Han Moon, whatever comes first. We already started whipping up our latest cool tool. A hat? And robe? Oh, I see. It's a decoy Saja boy. But I don't think we're finished just yet. Rumi might need some weapons. Is she making a sword? Well, so far it kind of looks more like a barbell. Guess we're pumping iron. You'll need some energy. Hold on. And they say too much candy's bad for you. Soon, Rumi will be strong enough to hunt those demons. And if music doesn't work out, she can be a bodybuilder. Oh, I get it. It's training practice. Hold on, it's alive! Wow, it's just like that story where that guy makes a monster. What was it called again? Oh yeah, Pinocchio. Come on, Rumi, you've trained for this. Literally just trained. And what's more powerful than the sword or the pen? That's right, your voice. And I should know. So make yourself a microphone. I mean, you're a K-pop demon hunter after all. Obviously, this trick is best done with 3. But every diva needs to try a solo career now and then. That's right! Rumi's part demon, but she sings like an angel. Yeah, you're going straight into the recycling bin.
Ooh.
Looks like Rumi's up, 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 and back on top.